Alright, this is my Tytera or TYT MD380, and the screen went white a week or so ago, and the warranty repair folks said take it apart and disconnect the cable and put it back together and see what happens. And what happens is the screen is upside down. So they sent me some software to try and read the radio, but that software does not have any English buttons, so I didn't know which button was read or what. So, alright, let's set that there for the moment. And I am supposed to plug in this USB cable. Plug that into the hub there, and when I plug it into the radio, you should be able to hear the Windows notification that a device was plugged in. There it goes. But then the screen is just sitting there black. Okay, so let's find the software that we're supposed to use for loading a code plug. It is this CPS, and there's the software open. Let's see if I can find the code plug. This is the one that I just reprogrammed today to add some talk groups for rebooting and shutting down my DV Mega. It is otherwise the same as, well, all of these really, they're all pretty much about the same. This one was just after they put in, some guys at the local club put in some stuff that includes all of the contacts for Minnesota or whatever. Okay, so this is the button I would use to send it to the radio. But first I got to plug in the radio. Well, I did plug in the radio. Okay, so the radio's still plugged in. So I should be able to click on that. And this sits here doing nothing. And the radio does not light up saying that it's in programming mode like it did before. And this will just sit here like that, doing nothing. I don't know what else to show you.